Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today, this morning, we're gonna be planting our fruit trees. They should be ready in 3 years for our fruits, but we thought we'd get started now. So here we have, it's called fruit salad. Grows 3 different types of fruits. Here we have peach, and these two are pear trees.
Oh, that's another peach.
Another peach.
White lady.
And we have cherry and another type of cherry. So we plant them in this field right here. I just mowed this down at the start of this year. So let's get to it.
Right, first one is in. Let's see that we get the second one in yet. The bees are wondering what's going on. Oh, fruit trees. Oh, horses too. Excellent idea. See, while he's digging here, what we're having. White lady peach. Awesome. Love peaches. That's it.
So it took us, I don't know, what'd you say, an hour, 2 hours? Plant all those. A little bit of hard work. It's finally a sunny day,
Yeah,
18 degrees.
Had to stop in between because the bees arrived, the other two
Yeah.
hives. We're up to 3 now.
About 60,000 bees right now. So
That population probably grows up to what, about 150,000 in summertime.
yeah. So we're planning to put 3 more trees along this stretch here, but we only have 7 for now. So hopefully the bees will love these, and we'll enjoy them in 3 years. For now, we have to water every 3 days, so that'll be fun.
Especially with a watering can tonight, because we're not set up yet. Well, let's see what comes out of that.
Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next one.